Hi students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss 2023 O-Level English Medium Maths paper. Let's go to the discussion. This time the part A first question is given from simple interest and the compound interest knowledge. So we'll see how to solve this question. Rani deposit an amount of 50,000 rupees for 2 years in a bank at compound interest annually at an annual interest rate of 10%. රාණි බැංක් එක ඩිපොසිට් කරලා තියෙනවලු 50,000 rupees for 2 years. අවුරුදු දෙකකට in a bank compound interest rate එකක් යටතේදී compound interest rate එක දීලා තියෙනවා 10%. By the total interest amount that she received and calculate the total amount in the deposit account at the end of 2 years. අපිට හොයන්න කියලා තියෙනවා අවුරුදු දෙකක් අවසානයේදී total interest එකයි අවුරුදු දෙකක් අවසානයේදී රාණිට ලැබෙන total amount එක. අපි බලමු කොහොමද මේක ගණන කරන්න කියලා. So the data is given here is amount. Initial deposited amount is given. Amount is 50,000 rupees. And compound interest rate is given. %. These are the data given in the question. So first, we'll find out the interest for first year. Interest for first year. Interest for first year. Interest for first year. So we have to do 50,000 rupees into 10 over 100. 0 to 0, 0 to 0 cancel. So we get 5,000 rupees as the interest for first year. 5,000 rupees. Then go to the second, then amount for second year. Now the amount is changing for second year. Amount for second year, year 2. In compound interest, we know the amount is changed for next year. That means initial amount plus the previous interest is added. Initial amount is 50,000. Then interest for first year is 5,000. So altogether 5,000 altogether. Amount for second year is 55,000 rupees. So we can calculate interest for second year as 55,000. Now we take the initial amount as 55,000 into 10 over 100. 10 over 100. Now 0 to 0 cancel, 0 to 0 cancel. We get 5,500 rupees as a interest for second year. So we calculate the total interest. Total interest. First year we get 5,000 rupees. Second year we get 5,500 rupees. So altogether we get 10,500 rupees as the total interest amount for 2 years. And we'll find the total amount she received after 2 years. Total amount. Total amount means initial amount is 50,000 plus this 10,500 total interest should be added to the initial amount. So finally we get 0 plus 0 is 5. Then 60,500 as the total amount. මේ කරලා තියෙන්නේ year 1 එකට interest එක වෙනම හොයලා තියෙනවා. year 2 එකට interest එක වෙනම හොයලා තියෙනවා. අවුරුදු දෙකක් අවසානයේ total interest එක ලැබිලා තියෙනවා 10,500. Total amount එක හොයන්න නම් එයා initial deposit කරලා තියෙනවා 50,000. Total එක හොයන්න නම් total interest එකකට add කරන්න ඕනේ. then total interest එක add කරලා පස්සේ ලැබිලා තියෙනවා 60,500 rupees after 2 years. There's another part in this question. We see how to solve the part 2. An interest amount equal to the above mentioned total interest amount can be obtained by investing the 50,000 rupees in a certain finance company for just 1 year. ඒ කියන්නේ මේ interest එකම ගන්න පුළුවන්ලු මේ total interest එකම ගන්න පුළුවන්ලු 50,000 rupees invest කරලා finance company එක just 1 year අවුරුද්දක් interest කරලා at a simple interest interest rate එකක් යටතේදී ඒ කියන්නේ 10,500 ඒ total interest එකම ගන්න පුළුවන් 50,000 rupees වලින් 1 year invest කරලා simple interest එකක් යටතේ finance company එක. After the initial 2 years අවුරුද්දකට පස්සේ if Rani invests the total amount in the bank for another 2 years Rani invest කරා නම් bank එකකින් ගත්ත total amount එක ඒ කියන්නේ 60,500 amount එක මේ finance company invest කරා නම් simple interest එකක් යටතේදී find the interest she received from the finance company. එයාට ලැබුණු අවුරුදු දෙකක් අවසානයේදී එයාට ලැබුණු interest එක හොයන්න කියනවා. ඉතින් මෙතනදී the simple interest rate is not given. So ඒ rate එක හොයන්න තමයි first data එක අපිට දීලා තියෙන්නේ මෙතන තියෙන second part එකේ first data එක. ඉතින් අපි first we have to find out the simple interest rate here. So part 2 simple interest rate අපි හොයන්නේ simple interest rate. Okay. 50,000 if we deposit 50,000 rupees we get 10,500 as the interest. So for 100 we can find out into 100%. 100 වලට 50,000 වලට 10,500 නම් 100 වලට කොච්චරද? 0 to 0 cancel, this 0 to this 0, this 0 to this 0, and we get 21% as a simple interest rate. If in finance company simple interest take 21%. Then we can find out the interest for 2 years. අපිට interest එකක් අවුරුදු දෙකක් අවසානයේදී අපිට interest එක හොයන්න පුළුවන්. So the deposited amount in the finance company is 60,500 into, now we know the rate, that means 20%, 21 over 100. This is interest for 1 year, up to only 2 years. So we multiply this by 2. Then this is simplified. Then 605 into 42. Then 605 multiplied by 42. And we get 25,410 rupees. So this is the way we have to solve the first question of part A. මම හිතනවා ඔයාලට මේ question එක තේරෙන්නේ නැති කියලා. So we'll bring these kinds of videos for the other questions in the paper. අපි බලාපොරොත්තු වෙන මේ වගේ තවත් වීඩියෝ අනිත් question වලට මේ paper එකේ තියෙන මේ වගේම ගේන්න.